Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you all? I am good and I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm here with a demo for you. That demo is concerned with the user forms. So this demo is, you can say, it's just like a database system, and the template is here in front of you, and you can see the heads of that template. Here is action date, action by. This action by mean the person who is responsible for that action, ठीक and the action date mean on which date the action was executed. Status code, action code, amount, date, and these are all the heads. So now I will brief you that how you can use that database. Simply you need to just click on that new button, and the user form is in front of you, and here is action. You just need to press any button, and to the date will be here, right? Action by, when you type just R, the whole name will be here, right? You can say that drop down list, that is a searchable drop down list. Whenever you press, just like you can say, if I press R, and there is something with R, so it will automatically search, right? For example, if I type R, so that's me Rashid Lahore, from the from that database is here, right? And here I will call back. I just simply type C, and B is also in front of me. As I already mentioned, that is a searchable, right? And callback amount, just need to write the amount, date, number of installments, recovery percentage. You need to just mention the percentage, and telemean, mobile number, and here you can call back that guy after some days. He will return he will return the outstanding amount, right? And just I submit it, and you can see the data is here. And now try for another time, submit, data is here. And you can say this is very user friendly template. You are just making the entries, and just submit it, and the data is automatically put according to the heads. So this is very user friendly. You can use it very, there is nothing complicated, or you can say that this is very user friendly. Like any person who do not even know the ABC of MS Excel, he can use that template. So this is, you can say, very easy to use, right? User friendly. So this is all from today demo, and if you want to prepare such like of any template, you can feel free to contact me. Inshallah, I will guide you, and I can help you to make as for example, if you want to make any template like this according to your need, and then I can help you as well. So you can contact me on my Facebook page, www.facebook.com/mye tutorial, right? You can find me on YouTube as well. Just you need to open www.youtube.com, and in search engine you just need to write my e tutorial, right? And whenever you search with my e tutorial, my all the videos will be there in front of you. So you can as well download this template without any charge. You can download freely from my Facebook page. So this is all from today. Inshallah, inshallah, in next time I will come with more templates like this. So see you, bye.